Looks decent though. Coniophane.
Oh yeah?
Got one.
Awesome.
Yeah, another tarantula right there. Almost.
I'm loving these tarantulas. It's awesome.
That's a big, pretty one. That's good. Scorpion. Here's a Rio Grande chipping frog, a pretty one.
Wow.
You wanna flip this TV? Big rat. There's the first piece of cover I flipped after I turned the camera off.
What you feeling now?
Whoa. Something's moving through the grass right here. What is it? Oh, it's a Coniophane on the crawl.
Oh, wow.
Another one. Wow. Wonder if there's any snakes that eat those tarantulas.